In this video, we're going to be showing you an example of 3 through 5 West Bloomfield Google Classroom. And we're also going to show you a planning form that was made by Teaching and Learning to really just kind of help support grade level PLCs in their planning. Before I begin, I know a lot of 3-5 classrooms already have a Google Classroom in place. And this is just another idea, suggestion, and really support for some teachers that might need a little bit more direction. So I'll just go over a few things quickly. And the first thing I want to point out is up here, you've got Stream, which is really, going back and forth in discussion with your class. Classwork, where your assignments are going to be. You can do lots of neat things. You can add web links. You could add Google Docs. They can watch YouTube videos. This is where you will be adding your students, and each student can have a guardian or a parent. And then grades, if you have that option turned on. So let's start with Stream. So as you can see, I have right up here, I actually kind of pinned it to the top. This is the attendance form. So we want to make sure that students every day, they're filling out this form for attendance purposes. This is simply a Google form that they would fill out, and then the teacher the next day could add into PowerSchool. Something else we have here, welcome to our classroom. Share your good things with us. You know they're going to miss sharing all their good things. So let me move this to the top. And now I could share a quick good thing. Let's see. Tommy losing his tooth. All right, so that's something that then they can comment on and kind of go back and forth with. So that's a little overview of Stream. And now for classwork, this right here would mean it's like materials. So something like a number grid, multiplication grid, fractions, different things you would have that you would want them to be able to get to quickly. Website link. This, for example, opens up to a Google Doc. This one isn't completely filled in, but you get an idea. Different websites that you would want your students to go to frequently so they can find it with just a few clicks. And then here's where some of my assignments are. So I have a math lesson on here, and then these two go with writing workshop. So this writing workshop, I went back all the way to like narrative writing, kind of like small moments. This is from 5th grade. And this was a mentor text and the house on Mango Street. So I found this quick 3-minute video that did an overview. They're really focusing on main events. But here's where the students would actually click on here so they have a Google Doc to fill out and to return to me. So that's this assignment. I'd actually be getting it back so I could see their story ideas and then picking one of those ideas and making some turning points, moments. Here would be the people. So what I did was I put every 3 through 5 PLC facilitator, just so you could see an example so you have access to it. And then I also added teaching and learning team. We suggest when you make your Google Classroom that you make other teachers in your grade level a collaborator so you can help share ideas. And then here would be an example of the students. So I pretended that Monica was my student and I'm her guardian. So as you can see there, I know Monica has logged in, accepted, and then I just wanted to put an email address in there as an example, but parents can view that way. So maybe you have your students in, but you don't have a parent. That'd be something you'd want to make sure you do today. Going back, I just want to show you, again, I know a lot of you know this. So one more thing I just want to show you would be, it's very easy to copy different links. So that's why it's nice to be able to like share with each other. And what we did, like this, for example, is actually a video, a math lesson video. So this links to a screencast. Obviously, that is a 1st grade example I just did real quick. But I even just did the display materials from Bridges. So I was able to do the actual math lesson. All right, so I want to now take this back to this planning document that we shared on the agenda. So this kind of has different purposes for K2 than it does for 3-5. For 3-5, it might be something that you have in like your Google folder that you share with your PLC, and it's almost like a lesson plan template, so you could fill in for a week. So our goal for this first time is to have 5 days of lessons that we could use. Probably it's going to be more of like a review because we're not quite sure at that time when we really need the lessons where we're going to be at. So this would be the reading section. So we've got, Monday through Friday. And again, this is just a sample. So this is a reading example from second grade. You'd fill in for your grade, say it was fourth grade. But this way, what I did, for example, for the writing is I took the link from here, the house on Mango Street. Remember, I put it into Google Classroom, and then I made the assignment about listing topics and choosing one and writing the turning points. I turned that into a Google Doc. So down here, I even have science and social studies. This was a grade 3 example. And so what I did was I made a quick 2-minute screencast and reminded students how to log into FOSS-Web. And I gave them what we would like them to do. Let's see. Oh, I see it. Well, it's not coming right up right away, but it's there. So here for social studies, grade 3 really focuses on Michigan. So I had a Michigan YouTube video. That's something I'd put in the my Google Classroom. So again, this for 3-5 is more of like for planning, like lesson planning, and then you're going to put it into your classroom how you want. But it might be great to be able to share it this way. So please let us know how we can support you and help you. And we hope that this video helped. Okay, thank you. Bye.